This video will present a solution for returning the largest value across a data range which contains text, errors, and blanks. In normal circumstances, we could use the large Excel function across a range. However, as we can see, the large function returns the name error value because this range contains cells with text or error values. Fortunately, there is an alternative native Excel function which can overcome the shortfall with the large function. We can use the aggregate function and choose the function number 14 for large. Then choose option 3, ignore hidden rows, error values, nested subtotal and aggregate functions. The array will be the underlying range of cells and choose one for the case syntax or the X largest number. As we can see, the aggregate function is correctly returning the largest value in the data range of 116.326. Again, here is the formula. Don't forget to like this post, subscribe to our channel, or send us a comment.